Welcome all to Darwin Explores. Darwin Explores.
Oh, hi! It's me, Darwin.
Hello.
You caught me just in time. I was loading my car to go see African animals in Africa. I'm gonna see a lion,
Meow.
a cheetah,
Meow.
a zebra, a giraffe, a hippo, an elephant, and a gorilla. Okay, are you ready?
That's too many animals.
Come with me. I'm here in the African savannah looking for animals. I think I see one over there. Come with me. It's a lion! Lions are pack animals. That means they have lots of friends and like to be in big groups.
I have like 22 friends.
Whoa, that's a lot of lions.
Meow.
Lions hunt for food on the plains of Africa.
You're never gonna catch me.
Most of the girl lions do the hunting.
Over here, fatso.
Girl and boy lions look different.
I'm a girl lion.
Have you ever noticed that lions are always
tired.
yawning?
I'm just really tired.
Okay, it looks like all the lions have gone to bed. Did you know lions can run over 20 miles an hour and jump 12 feet high in the air? I call upon the spirit of the lion to sleep. Huh? What happened? Did you know lions sleep 20 hours a day? I think I see more animals down there. Come with me. Wow, look at all those hippos down there. Hippos also like to hang out in groups of friends. Did you know hippos eat on the land, but they hang out and sleep underwater? They come up every few minutes to breathe though.
I'm just sleeping down here.
Hippos eat all types of stuff. Fruits, veggies. Was that a skateboard?
Another skateboard, please.
Hippos are great to ride. They're like cars, but they fart. Whoa!
Oh, hey, I see a zebra. Let's go check him out.
Whoa! Look at all those zebras. Did you know zebras, their stripes are all unique for each zebra? That's just like a snowflake. Did you know zebras are really smart animals that don't like to be trained? Uh-oh, here comes a stampede! Whoa! Oh! Well, that hurt, but the zebras have brought me to elephants! Whoa! Look at all those elephants! Elephants are the biggest animal! They're big! They're huge! They're big! They're See that big long thing on his face? That's his nose! Can you imagine if my nose was that big?
Ah, my nose.
Oh. Elephants are so huge, they have to eat 300 pounds of grass a day. All right, let's go see some gorillas. We gotta hike up into the mountains to go find them.
I hate hiking.
Come on. Phew, that was a long hike.
I carried you.
Shh, there's a gorilla over there eating.
I'm hungry.
Gorillas live up in the mountains where they walk around and look for food. The big daddy gorillas have a silver color on their back, and the mommy gorillas carry around their babies. Look at the baby gorilla. Gorillas are usually pretty nice though. They only don't like it if you make this sound. But besides that, they're pretty nice. Whoa!
1 comma later.
That was refreshing nap. Let's go find some giraffes. Come on.
That's tall.
Did you know giraffes are the tallest animal? That means they're taller than big dogs, and they're even taller than horses. They have the longest neck of any animal. Did you know their tongues are black? Ew. All right, let's go see a cheetah, but they're really fast, so we better start running to keep up. Let's go. Cheetahs can run over 60 miles an hour. I'm gonna need a motorcycle. Cheetahs are the fastest animal in the world. Have you ever seen a baby cheetah? I think it's the cutest animal ever! I had so much fun learning about African animals with you today. We learned about the lion, the zebra, the cheetah, the hippo, the elephant, the giraffe, and the gorilla. It's the end of the day, so you know what that means. It's quiz time! All right, it's question number 1. Which of these 4 is the fastest animal? Which is the fastest? We just learned this. It's this one. It's the cheetah. Good job. Okay, question number 2. Which of these 4 animals is the biggest? We just learned. I remember they were huge. That's right, it's this one. It's an elephant. That's the biggest animal. Good job. Okay, question number 3. Which of these 4 is a zebra? A zebra? They're the one with black and white stripes. Which one has stripes? It's this one! That's a zebra! Good job! Okay, it's our last question. Question number 4. Which of these 4 is a giraffe? Giraffes have really long necks and they're really tall. Which one's really tall and has a long neck? It's this one! That's right! It's a giraffe! Good job! I had so much fun exploring African animals with you today. Remember, if you want to go on more adventures with me, Darwin, tell your parents to subscribe. Until next time.
Darwin Explores, all things unbelievable and incredible. Darwin Explores, numbers and animals to construction. Darwin Explores, Darwin Explores, welcome all to Darwin Explores. Darwin Explores.